Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to increase upload size in WordPress cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to increase the maximum upload file size in WordPress, 3 ways plus reasons to do it. So 3 ways to increase WordPress maximum file upload size. First one, modifying .htaccess file. Access the WordPress root directory via an FTP client or file manager. For hosting or users, you can access the file manager in your hPanel dashboard. Open the .htaccess file and add the following code to the bottom of the file. Once you're done, save the changes. As you can see guys, this is the code. Configuring php.ini file. This method is the most suitable for WordPress sites with VPS hosting as shared. Hosting providers generally don't allow editing the php.ini file. So the first step is access the WordPress root directory via an FTP client file manager or SSH. Then open the php.ini file. If you cannot find the file, create one under the same name and file type in the root directory. Add the following code to the php.ini file and save the changes. As you can see guys, this is the code. The third way is editing functions.php file. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Theme Editor. Open the theme functions file and add the following code to the file. Once you're done, save the changes. As you can see guys, this is the code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.